Hi, today we are gonna have a sauna, and before that we are making some whisks or wicht, as we say in Estonia. We have Eda here.
Yes, and we have Teet.
And together we're gonna make some whisks. We have different type of branches here: oak, juniper, aspen, lilac, and birch. And yeah, let's see how it ends up.
In the moment it's raining, but earlier in the morning it was more dry. And when you prepare the branches for the making whisks, then you can collect only your arm size branches. And if you start to put them together, you clean handle side. You can take this also away and put it separately. And the main task is that this, like
smooth area.
Yeah, you put inside and this pahu ball, what gives more different minerals and vitamins and beautiful ingredients to the body. You leave outside and you put together whisk. Turning side, always turning side, always turning side, like this. There is a lot of folklore. For example, whisk for men has to have 27 branches, whisk for women has to have 21 branches. But nice whisk is handful.
Okay.
This is aspen.
Yes.
And you do the whisk from aspen when you feel pain, when it's hurting.
My back is hurting.
Your back is hurting,
yeah.
Yes. But I strongly suggest to take this away.
Okay.
Then you can put more tight together.
Okay, so two wide.
Yeah, simple and straight the branches, then easy it is. And all those leaves, rest of us, we collect here, we dry them, and later we do something useful.
So different leaves just here?
Yes.
All together? Okay.
Yes. We can make whisk from one kind of tree, but we can also make mixed one. If you want it for the winter, for drying, then it's better to make one kind of, because different trees are drying differently.
But today we are making whisks for tonight's sauna?
Then you can mix whatever you feel nice. This is this year growing and it slips away in the sauna anyway. So which is still green, maybe to cut it away or put it into the center. Otherwise you feel it like
a whip?
Yeah, and it hurts you later in the sauna. So it's your decision what to do. We do whisk mainly from second and third year growings. This is first year growing, which is still green.
Okay, so I should just break it from here?
Yeah, or you can use garden scissors, which is really great. Yeah, great tool to do it. Birch tree is most common tree for whisks. But like you see, this year it has been cold and wet, and the leaves are really tiny, small, and they have already this mushroom pollution. So this year maybe we don't get really valuable birch whisks at all. But for the fresh one, it smells so good. Yeah, let's make it anyway. And all those sides I take away. I leave only my handful. In top there is green, fresh. This I cut away because otherwise it starts to hurt me. And I leave only my hand size, which means I need also scissors.
So 27 you said?
Yeah, rules are for the weak ones. The strong ones are doing like it feels good. But 27 is a nice handful. if you wanna use different herbs, then herbs one should put in the middle, because if they get warm and if they get moist, they don't keep themselves straight. Yeah, I don't like this. You see, scissors. And strong plants we put around like trees. If you have kids in your home, then from those young small ones you can have kiddies whisk.
It's a lovely one.
Yeah. Chop sauna peale, vihalehes veere peale. I collect one here by side. As I feel these birch ones are weak, I surround them with lilac.
So you can make the whisk out of anything actually, or
Yeah,
there's
you
some-
just have to know what's poisoning or aesthetic plants. One which is really discussed is nettle whisk. If you know what type of nettles you use and if your skin is really not allergic at all, then you can try. But nettle is better to use as a compress in the sauna. That you put it first into the hot water, always backside on top, and always turn the whisk. But rest of the things which are smelling and which are used as herbs or which are used as spices, what do we add to the food? For example, melissa or mint or oregano.
oregano.
Yeah, they really taste good in the sauna. But then we should put them in the middle, and we should surround them with strong plants like you are using now. I think your will be already more or less good size.
This one is a bit tall.
Yeah, we can fix it later. What we do now is I always like you are rinsing laundry to tighten a bit. Then the handle stays really fixed. And first wire rope can put here.
The rope. Should I already cut it or
You can cut it, yes.
just one, or how many rounds?
2 to 3 is comfortable. Some trees, the branches are not hurting the hand when you are whisking yourself, but some branches are really more unequal, and then one should maybe cover the handle to feel comfortable when whisking. Good. And now you have to measure one finger here, then keep the handle, and here let's tie the second one. But it's your whisk, so you have to try it
Okay.
because hands are different.
So one finger here, 2, 3,
And here,
in between the pinky and
yeah.
okay.
And if you tie, you can keep it like this and tighten it a bit. Yeah, doing well. And now, really sharp scissors, and like this from outside to inside, that the top of the whisk will be round, not to
Okay.
scratch yourself.
Okay.
This direction is good always, from outside to inside.
Okay. I try.
And it's wise always collect all the rest of us at the time. Yeah, not so easy. Should I give you my scissors? I have a sharp one somewhere.
You can share yours, yeah?
Try those. If you ask my husband when it's time to make whisks, then my husband says, when you have time to dedicate on the making whisk. So no hurry, take your time, put your goodwill and wishes for the sauna day into your whisk. And then it really works for you. And give your gratitude to the plants you are using for healing yourself or doing some transformation rituals in the sauna. Good result.
Yes.
Like this, yes. And now, if you want, you can do massage with this backside of the whisk as well, because puncture, because it's round, soft and tender.
Mm-hmm.
No, almost. Here it's
a bit loose.
Yeah, a bit loose. If you want, you can cut away all those fresh ones still to make it more round. But for starter, for beginner, okay.
Not too bad.
Yeah, that's what Estonians say, not too bad when it's really good, but I wouldn't say we are old friends. This type of whisk we don't put into the water at all. We keep it here in a shadow, not in a sunshine, until we go to sauna. We do first steam for warming, second steam for cleansing, and then in third steam we take whisk with us. And we use it first for breath, then for just touching us gently for wiping, then for whisking. And when it's all done, we use it for washing. We put it into the water and we really wash
Like sponge.
ourselves. Yeah.
Okay. Does it smell?
Yes.
Not like a birch, but it's fresh. It's fresh.
But it's for healing.
Yes.
For healing the pain. So this kind of whisk, what we do from aspen, it's more like we warm it and we do compress. You keep it here even 2-3 minutes and then you warm it again and put it into next place. Aspen is not so much for whisking, more for the compresses, but also for whisking. And used whisks we try in a sauna steam and then we burn it in a campfire. This is dignity of the energy, dignity of the plants. We honor them and we burn them. We don't leave them somewhere.
But not in the sauna stove?
No, never. In a campfire, yes.
In campfire.
Clear?
Yes.
Then let's do it.